Hi there, Mike Vecchione at MarineMax Danvers, Mass. Standing in the 2019 Sea Ray 23 SPX Outboard. This boat here is equipped with the new Mercury 200 horsepower V8 motor. This boat here is equipped with the bimini top, also has a cockpit and bow cover. In this boat here you'll find that the battery switch is nicely situated as you walk on and off the boat. Boat's equipped with the infinity woven snap-in for the deck. With the outboard motor, where the boat engine typically would be for a stern drive, becomes all storage. Your table stored down there nicely and plenty of space to store some beach equipment as well. Moving forward, you have in-deck storage. This boat's equipped with the Simrad digital dash. Also has the Fusion stereo system with your Bluetooth connectivity. On the port side, the 23 SPX has the head with a pump out as well. Moving forward, you have the walk-through windshield, and underneath the cushions you have storage on both sides, 2 speakers up front and 2 speakers in the back. Nice flat non-skid surface up here in the bow for easy boarding on and off, and for the kids to be jumping on and off the boat as well. Again, my name is Mike at MarineMax in Danvers. If you have any further questions, you can reach me at 781-395-0050. Thank you.